Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step tutorial on our wash day and how I get my daughter's hair ready for school. This style lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. Right here you see an old 2-bun braided up style that she really likes. So stay tuned and you'll see how I've done that again for the second time. Alright, so right here I have detangled her hair with shampoo and water. It's the easiest way for me with her hair. Then I did 2 more shampoos and a deep condition and detangled a little bit more. After that, I went on ahead and blow dried her hair with the revair blow dryer. Used a leave-in conditioner and a moisturizer during the blow dry. It's all stretched out right there, and this is the finished look. Nice, clean, simple, and it'll last me about 3 to 4 weeks. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.